now sa bubungan ng jeep dito sa Bontoc Mountain Province, which took us 10 hours travel from Manila. So right now, we are going to Buscalan kung saan nakatira si Apo Wangod. At ang travel time papunta doon is another 2 to 3 hours. Bali from Manila, papunta kina Apo will took us 12 to 13 hours lahat-lahat. But it's okay. Importante makita namin si Apo Wangod in person. So sa hindi nakakaalam about Apo Wangod dyan, siya ang pinakamatandang mambabatok sa buong Pilipinas na nagtatato ng mga headhunters noon. She's already 104 years old. Imagine that. Sana all kayang umabot ng 104. Anyway, can't wait to see her, so let's go! Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon nung nakarating na kami dito kasi nalobat yung camera ko. Alam nyo ba mga kamegs na ang haba pala ng lalakarin from drop-off going here. So it took us 45 minutes para makarating dito sa village. But worth it naman dahil sobrang ganda at tahimik na lugar. So anyway, plan namin ngayon is to go to their waterfalls, tas balik sa village after para magpatattoo kay Apo Wangod. But we need to be ready, like pack up na agad ng mga gamit namin kasi we will go straight to Baguio City and we'll spend our night there. Ang nakakatuwa pa, we met strangers sa jeep kahapon tas wala silang mastayhan. So since dalawa lang kami ng kaibigan ko, so we offer na they will stay with us. Kasi malaki naman yung bahay. Like sobrang ingay namin kagabi, kala mo naman 10 years na kaming magkakakilala. Lalang, nakwento ko lang, sarap lang kasi sa feelings ng may bagong kaibigan. So, tara guys, waterfalls muna tayo.
1 hour later.
just arrived galing dun sa waterfalls nila. Sobrang lamig ng tubig. So my friend Eric is having his tattoo right now sa isa sa mga apo ni Apo Wangud. And later magpapa-signature kami kay Apo. So for now, we decided to be tattooed from the next generation mambabatok dahil kung matagalan man kami makabalik dito, at least dala-dala namin yung old and new generation of mambabatok and their culture in our hearts. So after namin ma-meet si Apple later, we are heading to Baguio City at yung mga bago naming nakilala na mga kaibigan ay pa-Manila naman sila. Anyway, I'm not having a close remarks for this. Ngayon pa lang, I just wanna say thank you for watching my video and I hope I show you inside of what Buskalan looks like. Stay safe mga and God bless!
A few moments later.